Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn a Word document into PDF file. Go to search bar and search Microsoft Word. You can choose any format you want. I chose blank document. I will show you how to insert a picture, how to change page color and how to turn Word document into PDF. Go to Insert and select Picture. Now choose the location of the picture and click Insert. Now the picture was inserted. To change page color, go to Design and select Page Color. You can choose any color you want. To save the document as PDF, go to File and choose Save As. Click on Browse to select the saved directory of the PDF file. Rename the document. Then select Save as PDF. Click on Save. Now the file opens as PDF. Please like, share, leave a comment and subscribe for more.